So in this video, I want to address a common issue that we get phone calls about when a new hot tub's been wired up, but the breaker doesn't hold, it trips off immediately. So commonly what we see is the neutral wire that's coming from your hot tub into the breaker box has been wired to the neutral bar or bus bar, and that wire actually needs to move to below the 50 amp breaker. Here we have your 50 amp breaker disconnected from the box in order to show you where the neutral wire coming from your hot tub connects. This wire here is permanently installed to the breaker and is not associated with the lug underneath. This lug is where your neutral wire coming from the hot tub connects. So for a 50 amp breaker configuration, the neutral wire needs to wire underneath the 50 amp to the appropriate lug in order for that breaker to hold in the on position. So you might call your electrician and mention this to him to have that wire changed to the appropriate spot. That way that breaker will hold on for you and your spa will get heating.